WE, aka The Prodigy.
There's many males over here. D-Mob on the hype tip, you already know what's going on. The ride is coming Friday.
February 4th.
Yeah, now you see me, now you don't. I can only talk from the fight, but you want all the flex and the talk, she's just for the show. I'm about to shut it down, so you already know.
CLUTCH. I rep beef and
We gonna have the chicken, cheese, candy, fries.
We got some candy, like Skittles, like Taste the Rainbow.
Snickers and Willy Wonka chocolate.
My mom face is Kool-Aid, so you already know we got that. We straight
We got this burger called the Candy Burger.
And cornbread.
What up, y'all? This is NY Oil. Real quick, you know what I mean? Yo, I'm looking forward to seeing all the Staten Island youth out at this joint, you know what I mean? We try to make something that's dope for you, you know, that you have fun, like have a good time, but let me keep it 100 with you. Get your tickets, you know what I'm saying? You don't even be seeing parties that got the tickets like that. Get your ticket because, if you out there on that line, yo, you're gonna look bad, kid, because your tickets is gonna give you instant cut access. So if you ain't got your ticket, you getting hit hard every which way but up, you heard? Every which way but up, you heard? You know, the tickets is to help keep the flow and get y'all in quick. It's gonna be brick outside then. So I ain't trying to see y'all out there freezing back talking about, you can get in, are you ready? Cause I'm gonna be on some more,
Are you ready? Princess, her flow is muy bonita. You can play the game if you want. I'm a cheater. I'm middle of the line, game time, and I'ma get it on my mind. On the fire, break time, stack tall, bone draw, don't go. I know it all. Shall I keep going if it's not enough? I raise up, Gemini, your back, so what?
VEMPI. E, that's sweet, that's me, that's she got, he got, we got. Pivotal liver.
Friday, February 4th,
2011.
No,
2012.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't know what year it is. Like, I'm just saying that.